Come along with us as we hike through Wimberely, Texas today. There are a lot of things to explore in Wimberely. They have a great downtown with beautiful shops to check out. We started at Cypress Park, which runs through the city, and we walked the trails and explored the creek. There were a couple of these art installations throughout our hike, which were really fun to explore as well. The kids thought they were really beautiful. Next, we headed over to Blue Hole Park, which is just a short walk from Cypress Park. Blue Hole, there is a lot of swimming in the summertime. They have it set up almost like a pool in a way. There's these ladders that go down into the creek. There's things that you can swing off of. The water is very clear, very blue, very beautiful. And there's a random shoe in the creek there. The kids really had a good time just sitting by the water, watching the fish swim through. It was so clear we could watch them all come, and there was a big school of fish that actually joined us as we were exploring the park. As we finished out our hike, we headed back towards our vehicle where we were able to go through another art installation, and the kids thought that was pretty neat, before we made our way to our next destination, which was Old Baldy Park. So stay tuned for that.